This is Earl Johnson here at the construction site, Academy Road, Baltimore County. Yeah. What? Well, this is me, New York, Earl Johnson. See the news crew right here, Baltimore County, Academy Road, Maryland. Seems like some construction workers messed up or something happened because they trying to dig them out. Today's the 28th, 2025, third month. They out here, boy. Live. It's 119. News crew out here. Baltimore's finest. Can't stand them motherfuckers. Ooh. From the back, I slammed thought dude in the beige pants was a fucking female, man. He ain't gonna jump out there no more. Yeah. It's live. Hit that like and subscribe. It's live. Hit that like and subscribe. These creepy motherfucking police made me feel like it's illegal to hold a camera phone. Yeah. I don't want them motherfuckers to say nothing to me. Especially that one. And he's recorded on his phone. Been in backed up traffic. Everything.